Hi traders, so I just want to give you an update to the dollar franc. And last week I was discussing the possibility of a double bottom forming down here, primarily on a 90.84, which is monthly support. We got short down here, just a fraction ahead of a weekly support as well, 90.59. So we had a very impulsive move up, but we've obviously been moving back down the range. And the fib drawn from that low to high, we're coming back towards the 79% level of that range. Got a little bit short early this morning when the Fed did its interest rate decision, and then its talk about moving forward, which did come in as US dollar weakness because they may be getting to the end of the rate cycle. But in any event, we couldn't quite get down to support at 91.37, but we may see a further drift down today, and the question will be at 91.40 down to 91.37 here, are we moving down, and ultimately over the next couple of trading days do we turn around here and put in a further higher bottom? That's a higher bottom to that low, although I'm classing that as a double bottom area. Are we going to put in a further higher bottom here? So let's just drop down to the 4-hour chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 4-hour chart, now I've just deleted the first fib range that I had in and just put a new one in across this move from low to high, last week's range. And of course, we've moved up. We're pulling back inside last week's range. A bit short of day support at 91.37, but can we come down to day support today? Or to the 79% level, hold and turn around. Can you see your intraday set up to buy here for a move up in line with that potential double bottom I was discussing last week? Alright, so was negative yesterday. You can see the very negative 4-hour candle down here, but it's getting overstretched. This is where I would expect support to come in if it wants to come in. So with that in mind, watching 91.37 down to 91.28. Does price come down to that level, hold, and start to reverse back up the range? Can you see your setup to buy for a move back up, at least to retest 93.39 where we failed last week, and ultimately holding for the potential of that double bottom to run out to fruition? And fine traders, I'll give you an update this evening in the live Forex trading webinar at 8 PM Sydney time tonight. If you'd like to join me, simply register at the link below.